Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to fix if you can't follow on the TikTok. So if you want to follow someone and you won't be able to follow someone on the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. If you are facing this problem on your TikTok, first of all, make sure you have not reached the limit of following on the TikTok. Maybe this is the issue, but if you can't reach the limit of the following on the TikTok, you just have to follow this step. So first step is that you can simply open your Play Store, search here for the TikTok, and here you will see update button. Right now my TikTok is up to date, so it's not showing me right here, but if your TikTok is not up to date, you can simply update your TikTok mobile application from here and try to follow people on the TikTok. If it's working, then okay, otherwise you can simply go back, tap a while on the Instagram app application, and you have to click on the info. Now you are in the settings of your TikTok. Simply go to the clear storage, and right here you will see two options, clear storage and cache. First of all, you can simply clear your cache from here and try to follow the people on the TikTok. And if still it can't work, simply you have to click on the clear storage, and I hope this will work for you. And this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.